In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a reverse effect in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. Now, go to the Effects tab. Under the video effects, use the search bar and look for the reverse effect. Once you find it, tap the Add button to apply it to your video. Drag the effect layer to the part of the video where you want the reverse effect to appear. Adjust the effect's duration by dragging its edges to match your desired length. Now, let's fine-tune the effect in the toolbar by adjusting the following sliders: Speed, control how fast the reverse animation plays; Lateral chromatic, adds a color separation, a glitch effect; Blur, adjust the intensity of the blur; Once you're done, preview the video to see how it looks. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your final video. And that's it! You've successfully created a reverse effect in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!